AI voice scams surged more than 1,200% in 2025, with imposter scam losses topping $3.5 billion, according to federal data. Scammers can clone a loved one's voice using as little as 3 to 10 seconds of audio pulled directly from public social media profiles. Research by McAfee reveals that just 3 seconds of audio is enough to create an 85% voice match for realistic family deception. Criminals combine voice cloning with caller ID spoofing to make fraudulent calls appear as if they originate from a trusted relative's actual phone number. Sign 1 is extreme manufactured urgency designed to make panicked victims act immediately without taking any time to think things through logically. The Federal Trade Commission warns that intense pressure and urgency are primary manipulation tactics used heavily in modern impersonation and gift card fraud. Sign 2 involves strange payment requests demanding non-traditional methods like cryptocurrency, wire transfers, or gift cards that become impossible to recover once sent. Federal agencies report that gift cards remain a top payment method because cybercriminals can redeem them quickly and anonymously without any paper trail. Sign 3 includes subtle audio glitches, robotic pauses, or unnatural vocal tone shifts that expose synthetic generation during a stressful phone conversation. Sign 4 is evasion or deflection, when asked personal trap questions that only the actual family member would know how to answer correctly. Scammers will deflect with frantic excuses like a terrible connection or extreme stress to avoid answering specific questions about shared family memories. Sign 5 involves high-stakes emotional triggers, such as fake car accidents, arrests, or sudden medical crises, demanding emergency ransom money right away. Public safety alerts describe virtual kidnapping schemes altering digital photos into fake proof-of-life images designed to terrify parents into immediate compliance. The Internet Crime Complaint Center recommends establishing a secret family word or phrase to reliably verify the true identity of unexpected callers. The Digital Defense Kit outlines practical routines like calling back known trusted numbers instead of trusting caller IDs during high-pressure situations. Limiting personal data exposure on public social media platforms drastically reduces the raw audio material available to modern fraudsters and voice cloners. Spotting these 5 warning signs empowers families to intercept dangerous imposter scams before life savings disappear into anonymous digital accounts and wallets. Share this essential digital defense guide with your older relatives today, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips to protect your vulnerable family members.